everyone, my lovely Patayans, a very wonderful good morning to you. And I know that you all are doing very well in your class tests. So today we'll do the question answers of chapter 2, Computer Inside the System Unit. In the last class we had done the book exercise. So today we'll do the question answers. For that, everyone keep your computer notebook, computer book and your stationery ready with you. Okay. So now let's start our question answers.
Okay, now we'll do the question answers of chapter 2, Computer Inside the System Unit. Okay, so the first question is, what is the difference between RAM and ROM? So we'll write the difference and you have to write in the form of difference only. Okay, make a line between, and after that you will start writing the differences. Just write like I am doing. Okay, so first point is RAM stands for random access memory. Okay, so RAM stands for random access memory. And now we'll write for ROM. ROM stands for, what is the full form of ROM? Yes, very good. Read only memory. Read only memory. So we'll write so everyone just keep writing with me in your computer notebook. Okay, so now we'll write here memory. Okay, now come to the next point. Next is RAM stores the data and instructions temporarily. तो रैम में हमारा जो डाटा है वो टेम्परेरी यानी कि सिर्फ कुछ टाइम के लिए सेव होता है, स्टोर होता है. सो विल राइट हियर इट स्टोर्स द डेटा एंड instructions temporarily. Okay, now we'll write for ROM. रोम स्टोर्स द डेटा एंड इंस्ट्रक्शंस परमानेंटली. तो रोम में जो भी डेटा स्टोर होता है वो परमानेंट स्टोर होता है. वी कैन नॉट चेंज इट. ओके, सो विल राइट हियर इट स्टोर्स द डेटा एंड इंस्ट्रक्शंस it stores the data and instructions permanently. Okay, now point 3. Point 3 is RAM is a volatile memory. RAM is a volatile memory, so we'll write here it is a volatile memory. Volatile means that your content will be lost when power goes off. Okay, and ROM is a non volatile memory. Okay, so this is the first answer, and we'll insert a line in between. Okay, like this, and make it this also bold so it will be clear to you. Like this. Now come to question number 2. What is system unit? System unit क्या होती है? So system unit is a box like case that stands near the monitor. And it protects the internal electronic components from damage. Okay, so this is the answer of सेकेंड आंसर. सो सिस्टम यूनिट एक बॉक्स लाइक केस होता है जो मॉनिटर के साथ में रखा होता है, एंड इट प्रोटेक्ट्स आर इंटरनल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंपोनेंट. जो हमारे इंटरनल सिस्टम यूनिट के अंदर जो कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंपोनेंट्स, उनको डैमेज से प्रोटेक्ट करती हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज़ योर सिस्टम यूनिट. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज़ व्हाट इज़ मदरबोर्ड? मदरबोर्ड क्या होता है? सो मदरबोर्ड इज़ अ लार्ज सर्किट बोर्ड इनसाइड द सिस्टम यूनिट. मदरबोर्ड इज़ अ लार्ज सर्किट बोर्ड इनसाइड द सिस्टम यूनिट. तो एक लार्ज सर्किट बोर्ड होता है हमारे सिस्टम यूनिट के अंदर. ओके, एंड इट होल्ड्स मैनी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंपोनेंट्स. और इस पे बहुत सारे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं, लाइक CPU and main memory. Okay, so this is answer number 3. Now come to the fourth one. What is the significance of speed of computer? Significance means importance, महत्व. स्पीड ऑफ CPU का महत्व क्या होता है, इम्पोर्टेंस क्या होती है? तो द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ स्पीड ऑफ CPU इज़ कि जितनी ज़्यादा आपके CPU की स्पीड होगी उतना फास्ट आपका कंप्यूटर वर्क करेगा. ओके, so this is the significance of speed of CPU. So write here the significance of speed of CPU is that the faster the speed of CPU, faster the speed of CPU, faster the computer will work. Okay, so this is the significance of speed of CPU. Now come to the last question. What are the uses of ports? Write down the name of some ports. So uses क्या होते हैं ports के? Ports are used for plugging the computer devices like your mouse, keyboard, and also for connecting the internet and for power supply, for connecting audio. Okay, so if we'll write all, it becomes too large, so we'll write the few uses of ports here. So ports are used to plug in computer devices like mouse, keyboard, etc. and also for connecting internet and power supply. Okay, now write down the name of some ports. अब कुछ ports के name पूछे हैं आपसे, so we'll write some ports are VGA port, HDMI port, after this we have USB port, then power port, speaker port, etc. Okay, so this is your last answer. What are the uses of ports, and write down the name of some ports. So everyone has to complete these question answer in your computer notebook and revise them also. In coming week you will be having your CT of this chapter, so revise the exercise and question answer thoroughly. Okay, if you have any doubt, any question, you can ask in the live session. Okay, till then, take care, stay safe, eat healthy. Okay, thank you for attending the class. Bye.